So here we are at the Norbreck Castle, looking for a room 525. Oh, here's room 525. I've had a bit of a kerfuffle getting checked in, but we are now in. And I believe Maria's just locked me out. Yes. Room service. Oh, look at this fine young lady. So here we are. This is the penthouse suite. With a bit of clean. What's that noise? There's a really weird noise in that corner. I'm guessing the heating doesn't work, hence that. And that. So downstairs we have a bathroom with a toilet, of course, and a shower. What house upstairs?
Bedrooms.
Bedrooms and bathrooms. You work out what that weird sound is? It's in that corner, I think, where you stood. So this is quite expensive. It was our treat for Christmas. Plus we always like doing these reviews, don't we? Hey. There's my hot tub bath. Does it work though? I'm probably going to say no. And go through this door. Little corridor. So that's the emergency exit. We've got two bedrooms. Bedroom number one with a telly, which is the nicer of the two. Yeah, so when we came to check in, we didn't have a passport. So if you do come here, you have to make sure you've got a passport. In the second bedroom, it's freezing, this one. Which one's better? So I presume this is the master one, but out of interest, this one's a lot warmer. So we're probably going to use this one. It's like a hell of a lot warmer. But you get a beautiful view of all the crap. Oh no. You can hear the pigeons on the roof. Oh no. Let's go back in the cold one. See if I can hear any pigeons in that one. I can confirm no pigeons. But there's a weird noise in the corners. But anyway, so this is the look around the penthouse. This is firework. See if that works. And that's it. I'll show you back downstairs. And you can tell us what you think. Maria's up to something. Stairs a bit tight. She's vanished. They vanished in Maria. Oh, there's a fridge. Oh, that'd be handy. But yes, this is the penthouse. If you're thinking about booking this, Do I highly recommend it? I don't know. It is nice. It's a lot of money. That's the only thing I would say. But that's a look round 525, the Penthouse, here at the Norbreck Castle.